Today's video, we're talking about an improvement we made to our overall packaging and processing in our shipping and receiving area. So behind me here is our Orbital shrink wrapper we've had for probably 4 weeks, maybe 6 weeks, something like that. And it's something we kicked around the idea for several years about getting. As the technology improved, it seemed a much better idea. So what we got is, when we put the machine in so it could shrink wrap all of our packaging, we wanted to make sure we didn't damage it. So we put our guardrail up down the side. The guardrail actually keeps the forklift in straight, so that the sensor down the center here can read the center board on that pallet. Then the cross beamer at the lower part of it, that's so that they know how high they have to go so they never bump the machine. You got your cross beam across the top, that way they know how high they can go without bumping the machine. And then the light on the side, once the operator's gone far enough in, it's ready to start shrink wrapping, the light will tell you, hey, you're good to go, stop the forklift and let's start wrapping. The way the machine works, it's an orbital wrapper. It goes around, over and under to really package everything nice and neat. We were doing all these by hand, and when you do them by hand, you have to do them around this way. Well, as any of you that's received our packaging knows, if you have a 10-foot long pallet and you're shrink wrapping this way, you're holding the corners tight and everything else gets loose. So this really allows us to hold everything nice and tight, like one we have wrapped over here. So you'll see on this skid here, when you pull, everything's nice and tight. The cardboard's not coming loose, and all the way through the center, it's packaged really well, so we don't have to worry about the beating and banging while it's on the way to your doorstep.